you're back on Being Amrita, Chef and Beyond, and continuing with the post-pregnancy recipes. Here is a perfect recipes for your midnight cravings. Yes, you get cravings not just when you're pregnant, but after you've had the baby also, because you're constantly feeding them and you're so hungry all the time. So this is a perfect recipe for you. We are making zucchini pasta. इसमें मैं डाल रही हूँ some olive oil and a little bit of butter. We are going to add some finely chopped garlic to it. Now along with the garlic, you add some sliced almonds to it. Very healthy, excellent. Now I'm going to add my zucchini to this. I'm going to add some salt to my zucchini, some pepper, and once and for all I'm going to toss it because I don't want to play around too much with the zucchini. मैं नहीं चाहती हूँ कि that becomes dry. Now I'm going to add some lemon juice to it. Add some fresh basil leaves to it, which you break and add. And that's it. It's done. Okay, here I have a pasta bowl with me. And I'm just going to dip this out. Okay, now just final dash of some Parmesan cheese, and if you want you can add some more sprigs of basil, and voila, our yummy zucchini pasta is ready. Isn't this an amazing recipe? Well, do like and share this recipe, and don't forget to subscribe to Being Amrita, Chef and Beyond.